Randy Paulson, and we are here at the 2017 Assembly Show. What I'm going to talk to you today about is our torque testers, our transducers, for monitoring every tool from a mechanical pulse tool to an impact wrench. This is our 22 Newton meter transducer. This is our 100 Newton meter transducer with the joint simulator, and our 750 Newton meter transducer with joint simulator. This tool is set at 2 Newton meters. It's a shut-off clutch tool. I'm going to run down. I get the green light on the tool. I get 1.92 Newton meters on the readout, and I can go ahead and just do many rundowns to validate the tool. This is a rotary transducer, which goes between the tool and the fastener, and this will give you a CPK for your process. Put that in the tool, go ahead and run it down, and that's going to actually record back to the sensor what the torque was set at. This is our rotary transducer, our stationary transducer for our mechanical pulse tool. And I'm going to change which sensor I am connected to and change which transducer I'm talking to. Now I'm going to test the torque on this tool. I'm going to connect to the transducer. There we go. This is set at 15 Newton meters. The joint simulator simulates the rundown on the part. The transducer gives you the measurement. All that data can be stored in the system, so we can go in and we can look at our results, and we can download the results to a Excel spreadsheet so you have a validation of your power tool settings. This is the Panasonic torque tester. You can plug it into any Panasonic Toughbook or any Microsoft or Droid device.
If you have any questions, you can contact us at 800-808-7168, or you can email us at sales@intmfg.com. We look forward to assist you with your manufacturing needs.